What's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's quick video, I'll be teaching you guys how to know the difference if your printhead is a 9-pin printhead or a 13-pin printhead. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you guys want to know is why should you even care if your printhead is 13 pins, 9 pins, what does it mean, why do I care? First of all, it's important to know because if ever you are, should I say whenever, you're about to replace your printhead, it's very important to know if this little attachment where the printhead inserts is 9 pins or if it's 13 pins. The main difference is that if it's a 9-pin attachment and your DTF printer has a 9-pin cable to go inside of this attachment, then you know that you have to buy 9-pin printheads. For most of you guys watching this video, you're all going to be buying 9-pin printheads. It's the more updated printhead, and also most DTF printers now, especially those like smaller desktop printers, use a 9-pin printhead attachment cable. For some of you that have, older DTF printers or even just older, printheads itself and older cable attachment by extension, you guys are going to have 13 pins cable attachments. So some of you, your printhead might be 13 pins. The reason why obviously it's important to know the difference between 13 pin and 9 pin is when you're about to do the replacement of your printhead. If you go ahead and you buy, let's say, a 13 pin and you have a 9-pin printhead attachment cable, it's going to be very inconvenient to return that printhead. In some cases, depending on the supplier, you won't be able to return it. So it's very important to do your own homework. Basically, when you first start DTF printing, you're not too sure what to look for, but a simple way to know what printhead to get is simply come over here when you do the replacement video on how to replace your printhead up here, guys. When you go ahead and actually remove the old printhead that's no longer functional, keep the old printhead before throwing it out. Make sure you guys take a look at this little attachment right here, and you should have 9 pins. These little metal things right here, you should have 9 of them, and if you don't have 9, you should have 13. So when you actually go on our website, wprinting.ca, I'll have a link down below for printhead replacements. You're going to be able to click between 9-pin and 13-pin. So take the time, take a look at your old printhead and buy the same amount of pins that the old printhead that you're replacing has, and you'll be perfectly fine. For me at least, I know I made a mistake when I first started out. I bought a printhead and unfortunately, I believe, well, for me, I had a 13-pin cable. I actually did the replacement cable on one of my older printers because 13-pin, is slowly getting out of date. More and more 9 pins are available. So I had to actually replace the cable inside of my DTF printer to be able to use my printhead because the manufacturer didn't want me to return it. So I had to actually go ahead physically replace the whole cable on my printer just to be able to use my new printhead. So I want to save you guys that trouble. So that's why I made a quick video showing you the difference between 9-pin and 13-pin, how to know the difference before you actually go ahead and buy your new printhead. So guys, if you found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.